Hey friends, how's it going? Today we're gonna have a fireside chat. No, I got my product in and I was gonna let y'all tell me what project you want me to do later on tonight after we get these kids fed. How's everybody doing? We've been on spring break and just been having a blast. I gotta find me on Facebook, see if I can read any comments. Yeah, so y'all can tell me what you want to see. And look, anytime during the broadcast you can type the word new. Well, let me make sure. Y'all, can you believe this weather? It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, gosh. I don't see anybody on here yet. The weather's been crazy. Facebook's been crazy. So say hello when you hop on. Yes. You can comment new. See all the new stuff. Y'all help me pick out what we're going to do. And look, I know a lot of y'all got snow. The key word is not pot holder. Let me see if I can fix this. Hey, Jaylene. The key word is new. I don't think it's gonna let me. So comment new. Y'all can tell me what you want to see. Hey, Janet. Hey, Edith. Oh my goodness. All right, and I don't know if y'all know this, but if you're a designer or Perks member and you do a $25 order, you're gonna get a free frame, and hopefully that's in here. Hey Charlotte, hey Judy, and look, if y'all wanna share this, you can. The more people that help tell me what they wanna see later on today is good. I'm glad this isn't real. I mean, it's a fire and it's warm, but it's not gonna hurt this box to get in here. Let's see, there's Lena, Judy, Paula K. Okay, let's see what we got. Y'all, I'll tell you one thing that I'm super excited about is our new tray. It's 16 inches. And it comes with like a wood grain look and 2 handles. I love that it's round. Isn't this awesome? And if you don't have yours yet, go ahead and grab it. We'll be creating with that soon. And this is the free frame that you get with a $25 order for Perks and designers. And if you're not a Perks member, you can type the word Perks, check it out. We got a new kit for Perks, and this is like one of the perks of being a Perks member. Being a Perks member is kind of like Sam's Club, that kind of thing, but it's for crafters because you get a discount of 30% all the time. And this is a reusable chalkboard. It's a great size. Let's see. 9 by 12, everyday frame. You can paint the frame if you want to. You can use it like this. You can chalk this side, then you can flip it over and chalk this side, and then you can clean it off and re-chalk it again. And probably a lot of you guys have that. This is called, I think I need stronger reading glasses. It is called Delicate Flower Pattern. This will be so pretty on the tray or on anything. And you know, our transfers are reusable. You can use them with ink or paste. Now, we'll do this. And you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to order the Harry Potter Butterbeer designs. So I ordered those today. I ordered this up overnight. And this one, I love this one. It says, note to self. But this is what I love. You are enough. You are evolving for the better good things do happen. Speak to yourself with the same kindness you would give to a dear friend. Even on tough days, remember how far you have come. Be the energy you wish to attract in life. Nothing will ever be perfect, but everything will be all right. Fully believe in yourself and in your growth. Love yourself fiercely. Rise stronger every time. Your power is unstoppable. So are you. Isn't that awesome? This is beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Let's see. Hey, Betty. Betty says, which frame is the freebie? This, Betty, this 9 by 12 reusable. It's a chalkboard, so you can chalk on it, clean it off, re-chalk it. And if you want, you could do like one season here and one season here because you can take it out and put it around. Hopefully that helps. Okay, love this. We always said this growing up. Welcome to the funny farm. And now this one, if you don't want to call yourself the funny farm, just use the word welcome. We called ourselves the funny farm. And this one is called So Much Love. So Much Love, S-O-W, like plant you. It takes a long time to grow an old friend. I wish you lived next door and you grow, girl. Isn't this cute? Oh, thanks, Gina. And look, the key word is new, N-E-W. I know it says potholder, but if you type potholder, you're going to get the last life that I did. So type new for all the stuff I'm showing you. And y'all, I love this song. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And it has a bird on here. It's called What a Wonderful World. And y'all, I think you could do this bird any color you want. Like you could make it a robin. I think you could make it a cardinal. Hey, y'all let me know if the word new was working. Are y'all getting the messages? I hope so. Hey, Dee Dee. And y'all, this is so funny. Undiagnosed, but something ain't right. Isn't that funny? I love it. Hey, if you're typing new, or y'all getting the keyword, I don't know if y'all can hear Locke and Stella. I think they're doing somersaults upstairs or something. Oh yeah, I think y'all are getting the keyword. It's new. And this is another one that I love. This is The Virtuous Women. Sacrifice like Esther, love like Ruth, serve like Martha, pray like Hannah, believe like Mary, dance like Miriam. Y'all, I'm crazy. Told you I needed new glasses. And look, I could do this. This is like perfect for Barry. Stay tuned for my next dramatic episode. Y'all, let something go wrong on the golf course, and I got myself a drama queen or drama king. And look, y'all don't tell him I said that. Don't tell him I said that. Okay, struggle bus. How many of us have, like, I'm a struggle bus when it comes to like weather, my project's not turning out, my craft supplies not doing what they're supposed to do. That's when I get on the struggle bus. Thanks, Sharon. Thank you, Sue. Okay, and this one, I'm fine. You know, sometimes you feel like you're drowning, and I like to make light of it, you know. I've been there before. Feels like you're underwater. And y'all, these are so pretty. These are called watercolor florals. You can use them on so many things, including our bookmarks. Aren't those pretty? And then here's some more bookmarks. Nonfiction, true crime, fantasy, and romance. How many of you guys love to read? Look, you can give those as gifts too. Hey Charlene, hey Shauna. And y'all know I love me some heat transfers. Love, love, love. And you know, you can mix like an each project with a heat transfer. This one is called Birdhouse Beauty. And on this size, you get 2 in a package. You know we love us some burn houses. And then here's books. It's called Blooming Book Heat Transfers. And I know y'all can't see for that label, but there's 2 in a pack. And then this is funny. I'm gonna take this one out so y'all can see. But remember, if you're a Perks member or if you're a designer and your order gets up to $25, you get this free frame. And I just want to make sure you don't forget this. Because, hey, who doesn't love a free chalkboard? Awesome. Jen got her Camp Chalk ticket. I'm so excited. Y'all, Chalk is doing something called Camp Chalk this year for designers. And there's only 100. There was 100 tickets available. They sold out yesterday. And y'all, I think I'm going to have, I don't even know. Listen, I'm planning on 20. I might have 10 people from my team that are going to be there. I'm already working on their gift bags. I always like to get them something special from me. And I'm so excited. Now look, I'm going to use the part that says I do crafts. And then I might do Barry one that's got the craft beers on it. You might be able to see it better from, because you know these, you press them on. Can y'all see that? Isn't that funny? Okay, so see, for these sizes you get 2 per package. And I love our heat transfers. Now this one's great for like trucker hats, or like if you want to put it on a shirt right here. They remind me of the old school, like the gas station attendants, those type. These are called Rise and Slay heat transfers. But once you iron them on, they look like they've got like embroidered around them, but it's not, it just looks like it. So if y'all have any questions, let me know. I'll tell you what I'm leaning towards for tonight's project. I just got to figure out, I'm leaning towards this on the free frame. I'm leaning towards this one on the free frame. And what other one? Maybe Welcome to the Funny Farm. Y'all tell me which one you want to see. And then I love this. You Are Enough. Unstoppable. So these just released yesterday. If you didn't grab yours, grab them before they run out of these free frames. And just type the word new. I'll send you like the new links and stuff so you can check them out. And Jenny and I'll be back later. We're going to get these kids fed. I don't know if they'll have their baths, but anyway, you'll see us later. I hope y'all enjoy this fireside chat. And hopefully you guys love the Simple Life collection. Which some of them are funny and true, like the Funny Farm. All right, friends, I'm going to hop off here. I will see y'all later. Have a great afternoon. This feels so good. Bye now.